The fastest run from either round one or round two brings him into the winner's circle in today's Tough Truck Pro Arena Truck Racing. Coming up next.
Get ready for the smackdown. Get ready for the smackdown. How you gonna react when you're put in the back now? 'Cause there's no turning back when you're facing the smackdown. Come on, let's kick it. Let's all get wicked. Put your hands in the sky for a one-way ticket. Come on, everybody, gonna start this party. If we turn it to 11, then we can't go home. And I'm not trying to tell you there won't be a longer run when it all comes. I walk down Broadway in the bitter cold. See my reflection and it makes me feel so old. Boulevard in deep recession. I win a sky in deep depression. Give me back my broken life. Give me serenity beyond this strife. Give me absolution from all this trouble, this array and confusion. This is a call to innocence. This is a call.
Just getting word from Race Control. They feel that there is lightning coming our way. So, round number 2 on Tough Trucks has been mixed. That means the number one guy in our Tough Truck Racing today will be that 21.15 second run of Preston Springston. Going right to a Monster Truck Freestyle competition. Buckshot so far has been our overall winner in 2 of the 3 events. And we'll finish the day with Monster Truck Freestyle competition. 40 points to win it. 34 runner-up, 30 for third, and on down to 6th place. But remember, Joy, Sylvester, and Bad Habit seemingly had a mechanical issue that might have taken it out of competition, as did Black Widow. So how many will actually make the field? Rain or shine, throwdown goes on, but today we've got lightning in the area. We do want to get this cleaned up, cleared out before any kind of lightning happens here at Dragway 42. So the Black Widow will lead us out. We get best trick racing and freestyle.
There's a crack in the
Finishing out the freestyle run. Saluting the fans at Dragway 42. Mark Peterson and Reptoid. Against the Red Leather and Reptoid.
When we started this band, I was needed was a lamb. Years gone by, I say we've kicked some ass. When you rage, you hear the stage.
Ravage and Rabbitack, I believe, are queued up. Race Control has been monitoring several apps for the weather. They do say that we've got potential for lightning in the area. Dragway 42 is open Thursday through Sunday with quality family entertainment. You can get all of the information on the schedule at dragway42.com. Monster Truck Throwdown goes rain or shine, but when it comes to lightning, your safety is imperative to the Throwdown team. So right now, running an abbreviated version, trying to bang through everything we've got so you guys can see the start of the summer series in Monster Truck Throwdown. Rabbitack Team Ravage. Just will not clean out. Sometimes when the humidity changes, when the barometric pressure drops, it affects those blower motors, as you can hear it is doing right now for Rabbitack. Trying to get the fuel system right, the right size pill to dump down methanol alcohol. It's the profuse amount of fluid flowing out of the back of Rabbitack as Dave Rabbit shut it down over in the hot pit.
The secret side of me, I never let you see. I keep it caged, but I can't control it. So stay away from me, the beast is ugly. I feel the rage and I just can't hold it. It's scratching on the walls, in the closet, in the halls. It comes awake and I can't control it. Hiding under the bed.
this freestyle run, pig air, slap wheelies, and more from Brandon Butt and Buckshot. A tremendous day here at Dragway 42. That is going to bring a close to today's Dragway 42 Monster Truck Throwdown. Proudly presented by Johnny K's Power Sports. We're going to get you guys out before the lightning starts in earnest. Drivers are going to be up by the merchandise stands. They'll stay and sign autographs till everybody that wants one gets one. Mayhem will also be getting rides here as we conclude Dragway 42 Monster Truck Throwdown presented by Johnny K's Power Sports. Drivers will go up by the merchandise stands. As long as the weather provides, they will stay and sign autographs till everybody that wants one gets one. Thanks so much to Reed Salvage, United Rentals, Best Western Hotel, Interstate and Johnny's Towing, Schaefer Racing Oil, Jones Rental, Ag Pro, Summit Racing, the Swamp Truck, and 501 Performance. Thank you guys for coming out. And till next time, may the best of your past be the worst of your future. See ya.